In this video, we're going to be looking at the different ways of observing Orion with the Mark III Astro-Video Systems camera. This is all shot through a 6-inch refractor, the Explorer Scientific M42 achromatic. In this first view, we're going to be looking at it with very low integration settings, or fast, how you want to look at it. So that all we're going to be seeing is the trapezium and a little bit of the Orion Nebula, which is M42. And just to the upper left, you will see the center star for M43, and just barely a ghost image of 43 around the star. In the recording next, you will see that I will go step through all the settings of the camera to allow you to see how I captured this particular event. As I step through the settings here, one of the things I want to point out is at one point I actually changed the manual over to ATB, ATW, just to show you the difference in the display that you will see in the color and the background, so forth and so on. Some people choose to leave it manual, some people don't. It really is a preference of what you want to see. Here we go. Let's see. Working backwards. Here we go. There you go. There's a slight difference that I just wanted everybody to see in the settings on this camera. In this next video clip, we're actually going to blow out the core, increase our integration time, so we can bring out much more of the nebula of Orion 42 and much more of M43, which is just up to the upper left of Orion. Again, I'll show each step and every setting during the next clip. I have increased the integration time, just the gains, and this way you can see much more of the cloud formation or the nebula formation. The core is blown out. We can't help that because it is such a bright area. But M43 is now very predominant on the upper left there. You can actually see some cloud and nebula formation in that as well. Again, with the field of view I have with the 6-inch without reducers, it's still a fairly small area of Orion. And I'll leave a little bit of video here just so you can enjoy it without the menu being in the way. That little jump that you just saw was me switching from live video to an actual screenshot that was taken of that video. Actually, I use deep sky imaging software. It allows me to take stills, it allows me to take video, it allows me to time and integrate stills through Deep Sky Stacker. It's a very wonderful program, and all my videos that you'll be seeing now and in the future will be done through this software. So here, once again, I will show you the settings that I took on this portion of M42. I've actually moved the telescope to move the core off down to the left and lower bottom to show you much more of the cloud formation that M42 actually has. Because of the field of view that I have with the 6-inch telescope, I have to kind of pan and scan, if you want to call it that, to kind of take in more of the larger objects. If I had a focal reducer, it would just be absolutely stunning, I'm sure. And in my future recordings, I will probably have reducers out there to show you as a comparison. So this pretty much wraps up what I did for M42 for the night. And what I'll do is I'll leave you with this last bit here to view without a menu being in your way, and enjoy the scenery. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment. Let me know if it helped any of you at all with these new cameras. Thank you.